Hello there, welcome to Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Got another sausage video for you. We have got some wild game out. These guys have got together. What do y'all have for me today, guys?
Venison and juniper sausage.
All right, venison and juniper's got some sage in it. Different one. I hadn't tried this one yet. I'll put a link down below for the book we got it out of, and I'll try to show you a picture of it here in a minute. But we're going to get started. And what kind of meat do we have going here today?
Venison and pork.
All right, we got wild hog, and then we just got some pork fat, right? We do about 10 pounds. So we got 4 pounds of what's this, Sebastian?
Venison.
That's our venison, 4 pounds, and we got 5 pounds of wild hog, and then a pound of fat. So let's get this in here and start mixing it up. Pork and fat's in. Let's get our venison in. Okay, y'all guys start getting your seasonings ready, and we'll tell y'all what seasonings we have in here. Now we're gonna put in our sage, and we have a dried sage. Go ahead and pour that in, Sebastian. And the reason why we only use a quarter cup is we tripled this recipe, but the dried is much stronger than fresh, and it's called for fresh sage. We put in dried sage. So we, instead of doing 3/4 of a cup of fresh, we did a quarter cup of the dried. So we start mixing that in. What's the next ingredient? Now, we got 3 tablespoons of black pepper going in. Got that. Next, we're gonna go with our parsley, right? So let's get a parsley, quarter cup of parsley. Put it in. That mixed in well. And then we have our juniper berries. 9 tablespoons of ground juniper berries. There's don't want to come out. Help you out there a little bit. Kind of move it around. And the last thing is fine sea salt, right? And how much sea salt do we put in there, Sebastian?
3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons of sea salt. So we got this venison sausage going. Juniper berries, different one. I haven't tried this one before. I know juniper goes well with wild game. You see it with venison a lot. But they're going to get that mixed up, and it has the sage in it, and also it's got the parsley. So little different things that I'm used to seeing in a venison sausage that I make. But very interesting. The guys picked this one out, and we're going to see how it turns out for them. But let them get it mixed. Then we'll fry some up, make sure it tastes good. And if the taste is fine, we're going to start putting it in casings. And here's the book they used, Sausage Making, the Definitive Guide with Recipes. So anyways, another good sausage book I have. The guys got their venison and juniper berry sausage out of here. So we're going to see how it tastes. My first time, we'll let you know how we like it. And remember now, the link is down below for this book.
Okay, so we tried it. We already got it in the stuffer. It was great. And now all we have to do is fill the casing.
For the casing, it's a natural hog casing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first time he's done this, so we're gonna let him work the casing. I'm gonna work the stuffer until we get with these filled up. Just kind of hold enough pressure that it doesn't come off too fast, right? Oh, and one thing we did add, we added a little bit of water, about a quarter cup of ice water, because it was a little stiff, and we didn't think it would come out of the stuffer real good. We're gonna make some sausages here, and what we're gonna do is just, I'm gonna take my pricker and just poke where we see air holes. Let the air out, a little bit right there. And then we're gonna make just some about 5-inch links. I usually just use my hand to eyeball it, pinch them, twist forward. Same thing. And then this one, oh, it's kind of tight right there. It's got to be careful. We probably could have used a little bit more water in these, but twist this one backwards. All right, this one's going to go back forwards. You always switch directions.
Is it because it makes a better seal?
Well, it keeps them from unrolling.
Ah.
So it won't unravel.
Does it naturally want to curl? Or
Yes, that's because of your intestines are naturally curled, right?
True.
Think about it. There you go. We got it. Sausage is made. We got a bunch of links made up of our venison and juniper sausage. Use some wild hog in there so we get our fat content in it. But it tasted fantastic. We loved it. Sebastian had to run to another class, so he's off there. But Miguel and I finished up. So thanks for stopping by. We always do appreciate it. Share us with your friends and family. Share us on your social media. And we're going to see you down the road on Texas-style barbecue and cuisine. Goodbye, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.